In the tumultuous years following World War I, Germany lay in ruins, its spirit crushed beneath the weight of defeat and economic hardship. Amidst this despair, a vibrant, revolutionary movement emerged, transforming the realm of art and design and leaving an indelible mark on the world. This was the Bauhaus School. Founded in 1919 by architect Walter Gropius, the Bauhaus aimed to unite all artistic disciplines under a single roof, fostering an environment where artists could collaborate, learn, and innovate together. Gropius, a firm believer in the tenet that art and technology are inseparable, envisioned a revolutionary school that would transcend the traditional boundaries between craft and fine arts. The school's early years were fraught with challenges, as Gropius and his team struggled to gain recognition and secure funding. The conservative establishment viewed the Bauhaus as a radical, even subversive force, threatening the status quo of traditional art and education. However, Gropius remained undeterred, driven by his conviction that the future of art lay in the fusion of craftsmanship and technology. The crisis came to a head in 1925, when the school was forced to relocate from Weimar to Dessau due to mounting political pressure. Despite the upheaval, Gropius saw this as an opportunity to put his vision into practice, designing a new campus that embodied the principles of the Bauhaus: simplicity, functionality, and a harmonious blend of form and function. The building, designed by Gropius himself, was a masterpiece of modern architecture. Its clean lines, Cubist-inspired forms, and minimalist aesthetic were a stark departure from the ornate, Baroque styles that dominated the European architectural landscape. The Dessau campus was a testament to the Bauhaus ethos, that beauty could be found in simplicity, and that art and technology could coexist in harmony. Under Gropius's leadership, the Bauhaus flourished. Its students, such as Vasily Kandinsky, Paul Klee, and Johannes Itten, created groundbreaking works that shattered traditional boundaries and redefined the world of art. The school's influence extended beyond the realm of fine art, with architects like Mies van der Rohe and Marcel Breuer creating iconic designs that continue to shape the modern cityscape. However, the Bauhaus reign was short-lived. In 1932, the school was shut down by the Nazi regime, which viewed its modernist aesthetic as a threat to traditional German values. The Bauhaus legacy, however, lived on, spreading its influence across the globe and inspiring a new generation of artists and designers. Today, the Bauhaus is remembered as a pivotal moment in the history of art and design. Its principles of simplicity, functionality, and the fusion of art and technology continue to resonate, shaping the world we live in today. The Bauhaus legacy serves as a reminder that art and design have the power to transcend political and social boundaries, and that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places.